Okay, so I was just flipping through social media, and you know those videos that come up? Well, one of which was like these people that are writing a number on their arm, and it's supposed to manifest money, or it's like the vibrational frequency. Anyway, so I took it upon myself to do some decoding gematria stuff, okay? And that's basically all I did, 1 to 9. And so I took each of them, the numbers. So it's 5, 2, 0, and 0 is not in gematria, so I use it as O. 5, 2, 0, 7, 4, 1, 8. Okay. And so I got each of the gematria characters for the letters, so numbers into letters. Okay, and then I proceeded just to use Google or whatever I had. I think I got Bing here or something. And I started seeing what I can come up with it. So the first one's NEW. I got 5 for change. Eyewitness News, EWN. I think that is South African. And then I got When Hair Product Company. Iwaki, EWN series of pumps that are actually from Australia, and they use solenoid. They're solenoid driven or something like that. Easy controlled chemical dosing. Okay, now these are just like whatever I get from it as I scroll through, whatever pops out to me, whatever is like I'm drawn to automatically, whatever messages come through. This one, B, I split it in between 1 and 3, but 2, 13B, K, if you split the 2, IC, T, and then the Earth. So the small letter case Earth would be the symbol for Earth. And then I've got, let's see, BIC Earth, new, change, right? Earth, what else? Move over to this one. There's FOX. Actually, it was actually 06FX. So I got Fox 69. Obviously, that's Cancerian symbol. And then, let's see what else I got. GPY is also AI. It's a Python. It's alerting. Modern machinery, algorithms, learning human feedback. Then I got the what was that? 4DMV. Obviously, DMV, a lot of people know what the DMV is. Divine Masculine and Venus. And then I was like, oh, I was just working on the mix symbol. That's the alchemic symbol for mix. And then it's also veterinary, or I got vet just popping out. Auto drivers, drivers not just of cars, but of vessel. MVD, or B2B, it's like Blu-ray, DVD, program thing. What else we got here? Come over to here. MDV, monodirectional valve. Let's see. Again with the valve. It's interesting. Where else we got here? AJS one. Knew anything but self. NEW. You know how you normally have north, south, east, and west, right? Well, I got NEW, anything but self. That popped in. It's random, but I guess that makes sense. If you know what a self node is. Let's see. AJS, very famous motorcycle company, founded 1909. Successor is matchless, and that's the symbol with theirs is well known as like an M, but with wings for the motorcycle. I'm personally not into motorcycles, but whatever this message is for you, I guess, whatever's coming through here. Also, AJS switched St. John's Ambulance anything to do with ambulance. AMMI OSHEMA Airport. Legacy Heroes. Aesthetic Surgery Journal for Learning. AGS. Insulation fiberglass duct insulation. I thought that was a little weird because I know about fiberglass a little bit, and I know it's not like the best choice, but why would you put that in a duct insulation? Like, why would you put that throughout? Is that not where the air blows around throughout the whole house? Why do you want it? Is fiberglass a good choice? Anyways, that just stuck out to me. Job safety analysis, something to look into. JSA autograph, verified authenticity. What else we got here? And last but not least, we got the 8. HQZ. HQZ Consulting, if you know anything about that. HQZ High Quality Zone, representing Mesquite Metro Airport. I think that's somewhere in the States, if I'm not mistaken. And then I got hydroxicolroquin, mosquito preventative or treatment for malaria. And then HQZ app. So these are all things that stuck out to me as I was just doing the decode for whatever it is that they're writing. They say it's supposed to bring in wealth or something like that, but honestly, you create your own reality. So if that's what you're manifesting and you're a very powerful manifester, why not, right? Manifest your way out of poverty. Poverty is actually just the lack mindset. It's what a lot of people are taught. What a lot of people don't seem to understand is that when you're growing up in a family that is not well off or not financially stable, and they're constantly chasing the penny and they are always fixating on it, and it's just like the runner-chaser dynamic when it comes to partnership and stuff like that. When you're chasing after a coin, it means that you feel like you don't have enough. It feels like you are in lack, and that is a vibrational state. That is not going to help you attract any sort of monetary gain, and it's definitely not going to help you bring in the cash flow. So you can say your mantras: money flows to me always, often. Money comes in towards me, and you could start thinking about it. You could start feeling money or coins in your hand and manifest and do all that. But ultimately, if you're thinking in the back of your head you don't have enough, then it's the lack mentality, and it's negative. So it's just going to push away certain things that are supposed to be coming in towards you. Woman, hand, worthy, crown, institution, indigo. That other video I did with OMNI, truth, Nefertiti, bridge, love. That's all that's coming out. Okay. So yeah, if any of that information is helpful, half of the stuff that popped out to me, I don't know much about it. But if you come across this video and it means something to you, I'll even just hold it here for a second. So maybe you can pause the video, take a look. Okay. I thought that was interesting how the AI, whatever program that is for learning modern machine algorithms, learning human feedback, is called Python. And those are the numbers. Okay.